in! Join the party!
Barber Robert Owens serves only 8 or 9 customers a day in his barbershop, Broadway Barber, located in downtown Carrollton. He entertains himself with his surroundings, never allowing for a boring moment.
When I come to work, I come here at 8 o'clock, and I don't get home until after 8 o'clock. I stay here all day, and I don't feel like I need to be anywhere but here. I like it. People say, "Oh man, aren't you bored?" No, I ain't never bored. Ready, countdown, take off! Because I never stop talking. Nobody got to see the kind of things you see in France.
This isn't how Robert has always acted. Before becoming a barber, Robert served in the Army.
It's okay to have friends. I've been to Iraq. I've seen stuff in Iraq that nobody should have to see the kind of things you see in a war zone. But I think the worst thing is when you have a little girl who's 7 years old trying to blow you up with a Coke can. I think that's the worst thing. Yeah. And I think that was the things that I live with. When you see that kind of stuff, you try to throw it away, then everything else becomes easy. Talking to people becomes easy. Caring about people is easy. Yeah. That's why I don't talk about. That's why you don't talk about it. I play my horns, and I play my music.
For Robert, music is a way to drown out the memories of the battlefield. Through the sights of Iraq, Robert found his voice, the voice that greets every customer with a friendly conversation filled with lighthearted stories of his past.